In the market for new windows, they say. We can provide you with the best in the market.
Well, we're looking for something with your...
Luckily for you, if you sign now, 50% off.
Well, we just want...
Not to worry about a thing. Contract is already all drawn.
Feeling cornered by high-pressure sales?
Hi, welcome to Morningstar. How can I help you?
Discover a refreshing alternative with Morningstar doors and windows.
Let's start with understanding your needs and budget. We're here to help, not pressure you into a sale. We believe in transparency and education. We want to offer the right products at the right budget that meets your needs. Take your time to decide. We offer in-house service. If any issues arise, simply give us a call and we'll promptly resolve the matter. Founded by my father and now led by me, we've been committed to excellence since day one. With decades of experience, we're not just selling windows and doors, we're building trust.
No high-pressure sales, just honest advice and superior products with better service.